Thank you for choosing Lucky Rentals, and welcome to this instructional video on how to use the Lucky Rodeo. We recommend you spend some time familiarizing yourself with the campervan before setting off on your adventure around New Zealand. This vehicle uses 91 unleaded petrol only. To access the fuel tank, you will need to pull the release lever located on the lower right of the steering wheel. While your vehicle has been serviced prior to your departure, daily checks of oil and water levels are recommended to make sure your holiday is trouble-free. To access the engine bay, you will need to open the bonnet by pulling the release lever located to the lower right of the steering wheel. The dipstick to check the oil is located in the center of the engine bay, and the reservoir is just behind this. The radiator cap or pressure tank to check the water is located towards the rear of the engine bay, on the driver's side. Beware, radiator cap may be hot. Only top up the coolant when the engine is cold. The container for the front windscreen wash is located towards the front of the engine bay on the driver's side. The correct pressure for the tires is 40 psi. Please ensure that you check these pressures before each trip. In the event of a puncture, please use the jack and tools located in the locker in the side wall of the boot area on the passenger's side. To lower the spare wheel cradle underneath the rear of the vehicle, undo the retaining bolt located on the floor inside the boot area just behind the rear door. Please make sure that the damaged tyre and cradle are firmly secured before driving away. This vehicle has one battery which is located under the bonnet. To access this, you will need to pull the release lever located to the lower right of the steering wheel. To operate the fridge, the vehicle must be running and the fridge plugged into the 12-volt power socket. The switch on the side of the fridge must be set to high or low, and the thermostat to control the fridge is located next to the power switch. The fridge will not operate if the vehicle is not running. The interior lights operate from the starter battery, so please use sparingly to avoid not being able to start the vehicle. The storage locker under the rear cabin seating behind the rear door stores all of your kitchen and cooking equipment. To operate the gas cooker supplied in the rear storage locker behind the rear door, remove it from the carry case, place onto a table or solid ground. Ensure the trivets are pointed up and the gap in the collar of the gas canister lines up with the locator bar of the cooker. Press the lever down to engage the gas canister, and then turn the circle knob anti-clockwise until the gas cooker tries to ignite. If the gas cooker fails to ignite, repeat the process. In the event the gas cooker does not ignite, the gas canister may be empty and need replacing. After use, pull the lever back up to disconnect the gas canister. The gas cooker is not to be used for heating the vehicle and must not be used inside the vehicle. To make the bed, remove the board located on top of the rear cabin seating and place it onto the ledges between the rear seating and the rear storage box. Then rearrange the cushions to fit the bed. Thanks for taking the time to watch this instructional video on the Lucky Rodeo, and have an amazing holiday around our beautiful country that we call home. If you have any questions during your travels, please give Lucky Rentals a call toll-free on 0800 808 881 or international +649 275 5110. Ask our team for a personalised full vehicle demonstration before your departure. We're happy to help.